everybody. I'm working on this little 6x6 canvas today using Arteza Scarlet Red, Arteza Payne's Gray, and gold mica powder mixed with gold paint, and white that has a little bit of silicone in it. And then, so I'm going to start by pouring my white house paint mixed with Floetrol and water. Should be enough. And I'm going to use an airbrush technique. All right. Scarlet red. Now for the gold. This lid's always harder to get on these little ones. Payne's Gray. I love Payne's Gray. Goes with everything. All right, and that white had silicone in it. And there you have it. A little short but sweet video. Take my gloves off and I'll bring you over to get a closer look at it. It's really pretty. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye.